Presenting the 2007 Ford Edge SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: child safety locks, power mirrors, cruise control, traction control system, beverage holder, S, front-wheel drive, anti-theft device, S, and clock. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.